Hello friends, I hope you guys will be safe in your home. Must be enjoying your life. But have you ever thought that in spite of everything in your life, there should be no water? Think, you have lot of money to buy, but there is no water. Friends, this is time to be about to come. This day will also have to be seen. We all should know that humans have only 1% water to drink around this world, out of which only 0.3% clean water coming from potable rivers, lakes and our atmosphere. 71% water is present on the surface of our earth, but not potable. Today in many places in many countries there are people who walk a lot to drink water every day, waste a lot of time even after a lot of struggle. They are forced to drink dirty water. Friends, we still do not pay attention to our climate. And a living example of this just a few days ago, a forest fire in Australia, due to which millions of innocent animals lost their lives. And not only this, and when the camels were forced to enter people's home to quench their thirst, so the government there was forced to order 10,000 camels to be killed. Friends, tell you that if you talk about India only, there are more than 600 million people who are not getting clean drinking water, and more than 70% of countries' water is contaminated. India has been ranked 120th worldwide in the list of 122 countries in terms of water quality index. You may wonder how backward India is in terms of water management. This is a bitter truth. And just a rule made by the government will not work unless every citizen of the country consider the safety of water as their own safety. Otherwise, the coming generation will stand on the verge of ruin. Friends, today I want to express my opinion to you. Why we should and we can save a lot of water. We are wasting so much water in our day-to-day life, like we do not know anything. We should always use low flow tap. Take a shower in less time than a day. Washing cloth every day would be good if you wash your cloth once in a week. This will reduce the amount of water wasted. Take full use of the water purifier wastewater, as it wastes a considerable amount of water. Let me tell you that if 1 drop of water is wasted every 2 seconds, then 20 gallon means 90 liter water is wasted in a week. Where a large amount of hot water is distributed, a cold water return line must be arranged with such hotel or buildings which save a large amount of water. Using sprinkler for irrigation of garden or field consumes very small amount of water. Always use low volume flow button after the toilet. Taps such as lift cock or push cocks should be installed in the public places. The chance of wasting water are very less. Rainwater should be always be poured into the by water harvesting, so that the water level will always remain, and it is very beneficial for our land. We have to be aware for water, otherwise there will be a huge war for water in the coming time, which will be the biggest reason for the destruction of the earth. Friends, we have to be aware to save water. One has to follow the rules made by the government. More and more trees should be planted in the plant, because according to which our earth is heating up and soaking the potable water, the water on the earth will be exhausted very soon. Hence, I would just like to say that to conserve water, save water, because water is life. Thank you.